All right, my friends, let's talk about a newer product that La Mer has come out with, and that is the Genaissance Infused Lotion. I am a huge fan of the treatment lotion, so when they said they were coming out with another lotion, definitely caught my ear. I was like, what? Like, I love that one. What are you doing? Am I gonna like it? And I was extremely skeptical, actually, to be completely honest with you, because, I mean, how much better can you get than the treatment lotion? I have used this for a while, and I actually tested it with my little Way Skin device as well to see how it was hydrating my skin. So I got some information for you guys. Also, let's talk about what exactly is in this. It is basically like an essence. It is their anti-aging line. It has 2 different ferments. One, of course, is the miracle broth. It's not just any miracle broth. This is their crystallized miracle broth, which I don't know if you guys have heard the story about it, but it's where all the dried crystals came into the beaker and then it became this super intense form of the miracle broth, which they bottled in a different formula that I wasn't really a fan of. And then they also put it into this and an eye and expression line cream as well. Now the crystal miracle broth is really there in order to help your skin fight against irritation and to also support its natural healing process. And on top of that, they've also layered in the Genaissance ferment. Little different here too. So this ferment is all around red algae. They take the red algae, they combine it with gold and wavelengths and all sorts of La Mer magic, and out pops this beautiful Genaissance ferment. And they show that it helps to boost your collagen, your elastin, and it helps to significantly firm and lift your skin. Right? Like, amazing. And it can all be yours. Each of these new products from the Genaissance line also contains their own separate type of ferment. The Eye and Expression Cream contains what they call a filler ferment. And it, of course, contains algae, hyaluronic acid, and it really just helps plump your lines. The infused lotion has its own ferment as well, and it's called the Probio ferment. Now this Probio ferment is really there to help your skin boost its natural abilities. So it looks healthier, more nourished, and builds up its natural resilience. Now again, I am gaga in love with their treatment lotion. When I did test this with Way Skin against the treatment lotion, this actually does hydrate your skin more. It is separated into 2 different products, so before you use it, you do have to give it a little rumble back and forth. But a little bit goes a very long way, like more so than the treatment lotion. So I know it's more expensive, but you're getting a little bit more bang for your buck. It also does give it more of a natural glow even before you put any other products on. And I noticed that my skin does keep that hydrated look throughout the day. So I know I haven't been a fan of the Genaissance line in the past, but I do have to say that this one really has impressed me very much. And I really do love it. I think that it is a spot-on product that does a really good job at hydrating your skin. And that is truly what an essence is for. The treatment lotion, essence, all those things, basically the same kind of idea of hydrating your skin in a thin layer. Especially if you have dry skin, using lots of thin layers of hydration is very, very beneficial to your skin because it sinks in deep and really, really hydrates your skin for long periods of time so you don't get that itchy flakiness. If you've tried the treatment lotion and you love it, believe me, this is going to be even more hydrating than that. Hard to believe, but it is true. Next time you are at a La Mer counter, even just rub it on your hand, you're going to notice the luxurious feel because it isn't just a water base, it also has that little bit of lotion feel to it as well, which gives you that extra oomph of hydration for your skin. Check it out. I've heard amazing things about the other one as well. I personally just have not purchased it yet, so I have nothing to say about it. I just haven't bought it. But I'd love to hear your thoughts below for anyone else who has the infused lotion or who have tried both the treatment lotion and the infused lotion. I did notice a difference in my skin. I know this one was long overdue. Thank you for being patient with me. Hope this has helped. I truly enjoyed testing this for you. Thank you again, and I will chit chat with you guys later.